Hello guys, welcome back. New day, new video, and this time I have got this new thing for you. This is a rare toy in India. बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है, हमेशा आपको मिलेगा ये ऐसा नहीं. You can search across the internet or offline. If you get it, you may be lucky. जो बहुत मुश्किल से मिला है, and this is from a brand called Dickie. So ये आप देख रहे हो, it's called Dickie toys. ये Dickie के बहुत सारे खिलौने हैं यहाँ पे. I have already one video of the Dickie Mountain Fun. तो मेरी प्रोफाइल में आप देख लीजिए. बट इट्स अ जर्मन ब्रांड और यहाँ पे उसके प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत कम मिलते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट कॉमन लाइक हॉट व्हील्स और सेंटी. सो इट्स रेयर टू गेट इट इन इंडिया एंड दिस आई हैव गॉट इट. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एन ओल्ड स्टॉक. एक्चुअली काफ़ी ओल्ड स्टॉक मुझे मिला है, बट इट इज़ एनी वेज आई हैव गॉट दिस. सो आई हैव गॉट दिस रिसेंटली एंड दिस इज़ कॉल्ड डिकी टॉयज स्पीयर ट्रक एंड दिस इज़ अ कार ट्रांसपोर्टर एंड दिस इज़ अ स्पीयर कार अक्रॉस हियर. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे इट हैज़ व्हील्स एंड इन द रियर इट हैज़ अ स्पीयर. So that kind of car is there. So let's see. I grabbed it when I saw it. Let's see. इसको open करते हैं अभी. Now there is no option to open this basically. It's only option to like open this like this. So we will open this like this only. There is no option. You will have to tear it off. आप देख सकते हो Dickie toys. It's distributed by Simba, like Majorette. And majorette is like a partner company of this, so similar. So you can see over here Dickie spills it. So that's it. I'll see to open this to see how to get this done. Yeah, it is opening now. Partially it has opened. So yeah, I got this car out. Firstly the car is out. और इनकी गाड़ियाँ हमेशा like see the car, it is a heavy car. It is not a light car. It is, I feel it's more heavier than a Hot Wheels one. यहाँ पे एक मेरे पास Hot Wheels है that also weighs a 70-80 gram, but this car is heavier than the Hot Wheels one. आप देख सकते हो almost the similar size is there, but the car is totally different and heavy. So as you see over here, okay, it's from Dickie. We are coming back to the main truck. इसको ओपन करते हैं. Let me get this out. Finally it's coming out and yeah, now it's out. So and this is the box and this is the car and finally this is the transporter container. So ये इतना heavy नहीं है. It is similar to what Hot Wheels have their super rigs and all. Similar kind of thing. This seems like a metal in the front and this is definitely plastic. It is very light and this is a bit heavy and like इसमें you see it's like इसमें थोड़ा सा दाग भी है. I told you it's an old stock. I have myself got it as a very rare thing. One piece I got somewhere, searched it and got it. So grabbed it. It's very difficult to get in India, this kind of toy nowadays. Especially after the COVID days, now the imports of such kind of things have been not there. So definitely it's a rare thing to get. There is something dirt on the windshield, front windshield. Okay, I will clear it. No worries. Back to the toy. Okay, we will see how it works. Okay, this is a free wheel. आप देख सकते हो free wheel है ये. आगे का portion is difficult to drag since it is a metal and this one is a easy light going thing. So आप देख सकते हो even this one is not working properly. Okay, this works and sometimes does not work. Okay, you see the other wheels are working and it's a free wheel as I told. See from here also you can see the third row is not working properly. Rest it is okay. And then let's see what is there here. As I told you, see here it is clearly written from Germany. Okay, it's maybe a made in German product. No, it's a made in China product, but the brand is from Germany. So the case from Germany. And ये trailer है. Maybe this is a detachable trailer. I don't know. We'll have to see. It gets detached, but rotate तो हो रहा है. Like you see over here, it's getting rotated like this. So it will be definitely maybe detachable, like the Mega Hauler or the Super Rigs from Hot Wheels. And now this one. See, the main thing is this. I bought this for this thing only. This actually opens, but we'll have to see how this opens actually, because there is an option given to open this, but it's a drag thing. So we'll have to see how it opens. I think I'll have to pull this up very tight. I mean, I don't know if it gets properly. Yes, now it gets properly down. So now you can see this is down. अंदर का पूरा खाली है, as you see. I thought maybe 2 cars will be there inside, but I think half of the thing they have put it down as from the detacher here. Okay, so the trailer attaching to the main truck, that mechanism is has consumed most kind of a space. So inside space is not there, but definitely 1 car will go inside. Now this car, as we know, this was found with this only. So as you can see, the car will go inside now. Yeah, and like this, the car will go inside like this. But anyways, it does not completely go inside. Yes, it is going, but not that much. Still it remains out somewhat. Let's see if we can fit a Hot Wheels there. Okay, because this car is a bit bigger also. Let's see. We have a smaller Hot Wheels, almost the same size. I hope it will go inside. No, I think that is also not going properly. I think maybe a smaller Hot Wheels can go inside. That is what we have to check. So guys, now I've got these kind of smaller things, smaller toys basically. These are not as lengthy. These are from Hot Wheels only. The Hot Wheels में भी अपने को कुछ गाड़ियाँ छोटी मिलती हैं, कुछ बड़ी मिलती हैं. This is a proper from Majorette. Even this is from Majorette. These two are from Majorette, and this one is a Volkswagen Beetle from Hot Wheels. What 4.2. So let's see if this goes inside. I think so. This shall go inside. Let's see. And yeah, yes, this has fit perfectly inside the container. So I think I was very happy that it's a big container. I thought 2 cars will go inside, but I think even 1 car is also has a very difficulty going inside. Actually, barely going inside. A smaller of the Hot Wheels, not a bigger. This is a Beetle actually, and this Beetle is smaller than the normal Hot Wheels design from the HW Design Labs. So that's why it is going. I don't think the Majorette will go. We'll see. So this is going inside at least in the Dickie sphere car, sphere transporter. So I'm keeping the Volkswagen here. Let's see if the Majorette design, original design is going inside. Yes, this is also almost going, and we can cut. Yes, definitely. So Majorette is also going inside. So it's a universal one. It's a good one. This Dickie's truck is a good one, if not better, because smaller things at least are going. Makes a big noise while coming down, this one. But it's a good thing that at least smaller cars are accommodating inside the trailer or the container. So this one is from Majorette. We saw the Volkswagen Hot Wheels, then this is a Majorette original design. We have another Majorette original design. This will not go inside, but we will see. Yes, this is having some difficulty going inside. So definitely the door will not lock, but it is locking, but just hardly locking. So this is there, and there is a low locking mechanism for this car. If the car is going properly inside, then it will lock. Otherwise, it makes this noise and keeps out only. Now this car is not going, so this will remain like open like that. Volkswagen. So good, glad to have this one. If you get this product, I hardly still doubt if you will get this product now in India. It's very difficult, but if you get in case, definitely you should buy. It's a good product. The price is around $900 or $1,000, something like that. But if you are lucky, you may get it at a discount as well. So we will see. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with more transporters, more trucks, more cars, more toys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.